Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. We might still see a chance of some light snow tonight, but most of us are going to see probably little to nothing, unfortunately, unless you live along the Mississippi River. I think that's the best chance of seeing that snowfall. So let's step through future track. As we're recording this about 6:30, we're just having a lot of dry air near the surface, so any of that snow that's actually in the atmosphere is having struggled to hit the ground. But we might see a little bit, as I mentioned, starting around midnight, or maybe a little before that. But you see midnight, see that development again, mainly for our eastern areas there and areas along the Mississippi River. That'll continue through the overnight hours, and I think mainly by 7 a.m. it wraps up. Could see some light flakes on our eastern edge for Sunday morning. Otherwise, I think we're going to be cloudy, and we're going to see some colder air move in to wrap up our weekend. So the majority of us, I do think, are going to see a half inch or less. Some areas along the Mississippi could see up to an inch of snowfall. We're just missing out on the snow once again, because in Wisconsin, southern Wisconsin, and northwest Illinois, they could see maybe up to 3 inches of snowfall, while we're seeing maybe a fifth of that, maybe a quarter of that at best. So if you like the snow, you're going to have to go elsewhere, because eastern Iowa is just not it right now over the past couple of months. Overall tonight, low temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s, a chance of light snow, southerly wind at 5 to 15. Then during the day tomorrow, high temperatures will be hit during the morning hours. Then a cold front sweeps through from west to east and really cools us down during the day, and it's going to be very windy. Strong wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. That's going to put wind chills at times during the teens during the day, and then below zero that night. Here's that wind over the next 24 hours. It'll be out of the south around 5 to 15. Notice it kind of dips. Whenever you kind of see this dip and then increase, that usually means some sort of front is moving through, changing the direction, and sure enough, it'll be from the south and then the northwest during the day tomorrow, especially during the afternoon and evening. You'll see gusts up to 35 miles per hour, sustained winds at 15 to 25. And notice 9 o'clock, it's still very strong. Those winds are going to stay strong through the night, Sunday night, into the day Monday, so we're not going to see much relief from the winds over the next probably 48 hours. So here those wind chills will go kind of hour by hour to show you what we're expecting. So for tonight, around 15 to 25 degrees for that wind chill. So not terrible, but certainly not necessarily warm. But here comes that colder air. You see that purple, Mason City, Fort Dodge at 9 degrees. It'll slowly be moving in during the daytime. And notice this is going to be the warmest that we're going to see it all day. We'll go here at noon. Now we're seeing everywhere in the teens, starting to get close to single digits in our northwest areas. Now it continues to drop. Our southeastern areas hanging on low teens there, otherwise single digits and below zero to the northwest, before finally, by the time you go to bed, everywhere close to zero or below zero, especially north and west. Look at that New Hampton at 10 below. And when you wake up Monday morning, many areas could be feeling like double digits below zero, especially along and north of Highway 20. So make sure to bundle up and have those kids bundle up at the bus stop Monday morning, because it is going to be chilly. Not much relief during the day Monday with that strong, consistent wind. Even though we'll see sunshine, maybe as high as 5 degrees for that feels like temperature. So Monday is probably going to be overall the coldest day we've seen probably this season. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Tuesday will be pretty similar. Won't be as windy, but wind chills are still going to be on the lower side. But some quick warmth is on the way. Wednesday, we'll see highs a little bit more seasonal in the 20s. And then, hey, Thursday and Friday, high temperatures will be in the low 40s. That's short-lived, however. Another cold blast moves in Saturday for the weekend. Sunday, we're back down in the teens for high temperatures, lows below zero. And to start the following week, it's this coldest time of the year. It's certainly going to feel like it with those highs in the teens and low temperatures below zero.